The blank should be filled with options that are positive and function to make players able to gain perseverance and confidence. Reprimand, censure, and chastise. All three options as choice E, choice C, and choice B mean rebuking severely or expressing complete disapproval, which are completely negative with respect to the positive gesture. Besides, choice A, brusque, means causing to appear absurd by parodying or copying in an exaggerated form, which is quite irrelevant regarding the psychological issue to make sense. So we can eliminate choice A, choice B, choice C, and choice E. Bolster and corroborate, both as choice D and F, means supporting or strengthening people, which fit the blank with respect to the fact of emphasizing in the line to make sense psychologically. So the correct answers are choice D and choice F.